If you want to connect your OnePlus 15 into PC in order to transfer data, what you can do is you can, for example, use a USB cable. So I'm just gonna connect my OnePlus 15 into my computer by using the USB cable over here. There we go. And after that, you should probably see this notification. Let's actually see it. There we go. Charging this device via USB. We want to tap over here to open USB settings, and we want to choose File Transfer / Android Auto. And there we go. Now we should be able to open our computer. We can go to OnePlus 15 and we can find our internal storage with everything that we have saved over here. Like we can go to screenshots, for example, camera, and so on and so forth. Everything should be easily accessible over here, and of course you can transfer files from the computer and to the computer quite easily. Besides that, we can also do this wirelessly by using the OnePlus Connect. So if we go to settings and choose cross-device connectivity, then over here we can go to PC, and we can use the OnePlus Connect on our Windows or Mac OS in order to connect both devices together, and you can actually easily transfer data with this app as well. So what you want to do is you want to go to connect.oppo.com. Over here we can download the app for Windows and for Mac OS. And once you install the app, this is more or less how it looks like. And ideally you also want to use the OnePlus account. So if you do have OnePlus account, you can easily sign in over here. So you can click on the sign in here and then select OnePlus. And of course you can get the verification code in order to sign into your account. And if you don't have the OnePlus account, it is recommended to actually get one, because it is just much easier to connect these two devices wirelessly with the OnePlus account. Now, once we sign into our OnePlus account, we can go back to our phone. Over here, tap Add New Device, and we should be able to find our computer over here. And we should be immediately connected on our computer. It looks more or less like this, and in here we can access our files. We can find everything and that we have over here. As you can see, we can save to PC, we can also import files in here, and so on and so forth. So you should be able to easily transfer data like that as well. Besides that, the OnePlus Connect app provides many different features, like for example screencasting, well, of course access to files, but also we have the content synchronization and the remote control option. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.